She played for the love of the game, and when Betsy Jochum stepped up to the plate and stared down the pitcher, she thought only of hitting the baseball with a resounding crack, which she often did. Betsy is an original member of the 1943 South Bend Blue Sox, one of the first teams in the All-American Girls Professional Baseball League, the AAG-PBL. They first played at Bendix Field. In 1946, they moved to Playland Park, their home until the league's final season in 1954. Now, 75 years later, a historical marker is being installed for the Blue Sox at the former site of Playland Park. Betsy played 6 seasons for the Blue Sox. She left the league in 1948 and went to Illinois State University, earning her teaching degree. Fondly remembered by her students, she was a physical education instructor for 26 years at Miesel School in South Bend, Indiana. In 1988, the National Baseball Hall of Fame unveiled a display dedicated to the AAG-PBL. 4 years later, the film A League of Their Own was released, immortalizing these women who played professional baseball. Betsy was inducted into the South Bend Baseball Hall of Fame in 2001, and a plaque with her name is at Four Winds Field. On February 8, 2021, Betsy turned 100. The History Museum, the national repository for the AAG-PBL, honored her with a drive-through parade of cars, balloons, a birthday cake, and a basket full of cards. South Bend Cubs mascot Stu gave her roses, and Betsy talked to the media about her playing days. Cars, horns blaring, drove past to wish her a happy birthday. With pandemic restrictions in place, Betsy watched with friends from a window. Funding is needed to help pay for the historical marker and make improvements to the gallery that houses the permanent exhibit of the All-American Girls Professional Baseball League. Won't you please step up to the plate and help support this marker, this memory that honors all the women who, like Betsy, played for the love of the game?